how to speak Portuguese. I will not say open your mouth. Actually, to speak, you need to open your mouth. But how can you know what to speak if you don't listen? So the most important thing to actually speak is listening. Listen a lot. If you have a lot of input, real life, authentic, European, Portuguese, real life content in the language that you are learning, yes, you will be able to speak. For example, if you go to a coffee shop and you say, faz favor, quero café, you learn this sentence. And then the other person will say, deseja mais alguma coisa? And then you'll be like, you were able to speak, right? You learned, right? But then, if you don't really know Portuguese enough, by actually studying it, you will not be able to speak. Sometimes people ask me, when I'm learning languages, oh Sara, they speak so fast. Can you understand what they just said? And I was like, I can hear each thing that they are saying, but I just don't know what they said because I just don't know the word itself. I didn't learn those words. I just don't know what that sounds mean. So you really need to learn for a period of time so you have enough something to use so you can speak. You need to listen, you need input. Without input, there's no output. And for the actual act of speaking, you also need to think that your muscles are used to your native language, which has certain amount of sounds. If you're learning Portuguese, you'll find out that there are some sounds that your native language doesn't have. And this is just like doing exercise and going to the gym. Your muscles are used to be used in a certain way. When you learn Portuguese, when you learn a foreign language, you need to get used to use your muscles in a different way. And for that, you need to exercise, just like going to the gym. Alright, so this was the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe because this channel is all about making you enter the Portuguese world. And as a Portuguese native and as a teacher, Sara is here for you. Okay? Tchau, tchau!